everyone, welcome back with another session to Beauty and Home Life. Whenever I think biryani, I become more excitement even to say I'm making biryani. Then just think about my eating. I love to try different types of biryani. Let me share one by one. We'll start with normal one today. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Let's begin with marination process. Meat and rice quantity should be equal. So here I have taken 1 kg mutton for 1 kg basmati rice. Let's marinate with some salt, curd, ginger garlic garam masala paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, oil and lemon juice, and let it marinate for at least 2 hours in freezer. And if you marinate for overnight, I am telling the piece will just melt in your mouth. Preheat a pan and add equal amount of oil and ghee. Usually, I make less quantity in cooker when I was in PG, but this is my second try of making dum biryani. So this time 5 to 6 members can eat. You know guys, whenever I want to eat biryani, I just make it at home without any laziness. Once it heated, add clove, cardamom, cinnamon, fennel, bay leaf, peppercorn, nutmeg and star anise. Fry till you get nice aroma. Once it's done, add sliced onions. This process is very important. You should fry this till you get golden brown in color. Taste and color of biryani totally depends on this process. When the onions get cooked with ghee, you'll get nice aroma. It will take some time to turn color. So this process is done. Keep some fried onions aside for garnish on top. Into this mixture, when you add mint, the flavor is very level. Once the previous ingredient done, make sure that you have to drop the ingredient one by one. Repeat the same process for all. Now I am adding coriander leaves, finally tomatoes and chilies. Cook each ingredient well till its raw smell goes. Almond saffron mix is totally optional. I feel of eating biryani while preparing it. Now you can add the marinated mutton. Cook for a few minutes. Add water and set for 4 whistles. Measure and add water. Add 1/2 water per cup rice. So measure accordingly. Meanwhile, I kept the rice for soak. When you found boiling, add soaked rice. Cook for 50 minutes and set it down. Gradually mix, avoid over mixing. I'm eagerly waiting. Yeah, it's time to open. Start by preparing onion raita. You can also add cucumber, pomegranate seeds, carrot as well. Now the biryani is ready. I don't know what happened today. The color is a little different in video. That's okay, the taste is yum. See here, this is the exact color. Sprinkle it with some fried onions. This biryani and serve it hot, then see how excited you will be. Whenever you take bite of any food, thank God for having. A double thank to God. If you like this video, not forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching.